Australia's Global Talent Visa. Your pathway to permanent residency for high achievers, innovators, and researchers in 2026. The Global Talent Visa offers a direct route to Australian permanent residency for world-class experts and innovators. Designed for leaders in tech, engineering, academia, and emerging industries, only top-performing candidates are considered. In 2026, priority sectors include digitech, cybersecurity, health, agri-tech, energy, fintech, and advanced manufacturing. Eligibility requires internationally recognized achievements, proven industry expertise, and evidence of exceptional talent or achievement. You must demonstrate outstanding talent, which can include patents, global awards, or high-profile industry leadership. A recognized Australian nominator is essential, such as industry leaders, universities, or government bodies. Approach reputable sector experts or universities with evidence of your global impact for nomination support. Check the minimum salary threshold, updated annually. For 2026, high income potential is a strong eligibility factor. Prepare a strong portfolio, scientific papers, international awards, patents, and evidence of outstanding contributions. The application process begins with submitting an expression of interest, or EOI, through the Global Talent Portal. If successful, you'll receive an invitation to apply for the Subclass 858 visa from Australian immigration authorities. Submit your visa application with supporting documents and nominator details. Accuracy and completeness are crucial. On approval, you and your eligible family members receive Australian permanent residency and can live and work freely. Is your expertise what Australia needs in 2026? Start your global journey on one of the world's top PR pathways.